Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm the world's worst YouTuber and I'm quite literally halfway through moving in already, hence the sweaty hair. I'm literally gonna have to put my hair up, I'm so hot. I am moving in to uni for the third and final and last time. Oh my goodness. I would have given you an empty room tour, but we've moved all my crap into it already, so I'll give you a not unpacked room tour yet. We've moved, I'm in a loft room, so I've just hit my head, but this is it. I've got an ensuite. I'm in the attic room. And we've just dumped all my crap in here right now, as you can see. But I'm in the only room on this floor. Oh, James is doing the heavy lifting for us, so I'm going to go and help with that now, but just to say hi.
Are you filming a vlog while we're all slaving away for you?
Just to say hi, and that I'm moving in, and welcome to the moving vlog. Woohoo! Right guys, we've had a quick lunch break. I had some sushi, I've got my smoothie, and I did not know we've got a Lindor chocolate and a meal deal. The more you know. Ma'am, currently being awesome, gaffer taping my drawers because they are in fact broken. So, thumbs up. And we've just got a lot of rubbish to unpack, to be honest with you. Tighten these yourself with a gadget of some sort. Here's my mommy. She's done so good today, lifting and moving everything and moving me in. We're not quite done, but I do have a meeting because I'm volunteering this year. Oh my goodness, look at me go. So I have a meeting with somebody to kind of organise that. So we're going to go and meet them in the Salford Costa. But this is what we're working with at the moment. So we've got my clothing rail, and then we've got junk. Bed's unmade because all my sheets were so smelly, so we're going to take them home and rewash them. Junk, a pile of clothes, huge pile, that all needs hanging up but I don't have enough hangers, and then kind of just junk. So yeah, but we're leaving now. Kitchen stuff, not even started because there's no room in the kitchen for me to put anything out, so I can't do anything about that and it will just have to stay out, but sorry, not my issue. Guess where we are, back again at my uni house. Day 3 of moving things in. I know, I am ridiculous. It's just the way it's fallen. I had to be at uni today anyways, so I drove up from Cheshire to Manchester, or Salford to be exact, and I'm now in my uni room. And I've brought a lot of stuff up, and I've unpacked quite a lot of stuff. We're feeling good. Most of my kitchen stuff is now unpacked. And then when I move in officially tomorrow, we're getting an IKEA shelf delivered, which I will put up and then unpack the rest of my food. But I just want to give you like an overview of what my room is looking like right now. She is pretty cute, not gonna lie. There's a couple of messy things, but do you know when you just have to unpack all like the small bits, like all my stationery, oh my goodness, is gonna have to get resorted because it is just jam-packed. This drawer is so heavy right now. So I'm gonna wait until I've kind of moved in officially, and over the weekend I will unload all of that again and resort it. Same with things like my hair drawer, for example. I just still need to get like a bookcase or some sort of cube, just something, even if it's something like this, which I've covered, for my books, because I don't like the fact that they're all just stacked there. But apart from that, we're kind of onto like the decorating side of things. I've got my posters out, a long time no see, and I'm so excited because this is my scratch map and I can obviously scratch off so many more states now that I've been on my road trip. Got this poster in the US. I'm so upset because I fully thought I got it home so safely, but I've just seen there's a tiny rip, but it's fine. Once it's up it should be safe. And then I've got my Klimt posters from last year, and I've just put this one up here. I don't really know if I like it here. the jury's still out on this one. I think I'm going to put this other one on this wall here. This is kind of what I'm deciding right now, but then, and then my world map in this section, but I don't know if it looks funny. I think what's throwing me off is a tiny gap there, so I might change that, but I've got my plants as well. These are new. I got this from Aldi the other day for £9, and then I got this from the local Facebook freebie site. It doesn't look too healthy, and I have given it a huge prune, so I'm hoping it survives. And then also this one I still haven't taken out its plastic bag, but I also got this for free. I give up. Okay, this is the solution I've come up with. As you can see, I was struggling, so I'm gonna leave it like this overnight, and then hopefully it's kind of flattened out a bit by the time I get back tomorrow. I'm also just gonna use this random nail thing I found and hopefully scratch off my map. I've been so excited about this all summer. I'm just gonna do a before and after. I think that's easier. It's a bit difficult to see because the light's reflecting, but there's my after. Isn't it crazy how little of the world I've actually seen, yet I've been so incredibly privileged to travel to so many amazing places? That's insane. Bye bye. Guys, stop. I literally just said bye to him. I'm actually gonna cry. This isn't okay. Look at him. Stop, you're kidding. I love you. I love you so much. Bye. Love you both. Have a good weekend, Jen. I'm for real gonna cry. What is this about? My brother left for his first year of uni this morning at like 7 AM, so I had to say bye to him and my parents, who are obviously driving him up last night. He's going to Newcastle. I'm literally like, what is going on? How are all three of us in uni? All three of us being me and my siblings. Expensive year for my parents, but so the only people in the house are my sister and my dog, who I've said bye to, and now I'm getting ready to drive back up to Salford. I was literally there yesterday, so it's kind of not that big of a deal, but it's more the fact that I'm going up there and I'm, fingers crossed, staying there. I kept coming back for the last 2 years I've kept coming back because I only live like 45 minutes away, driving, and then like 2 hours on the train and tram by the time I've got into town, but it's really not that serious. Like, I'm studying in Salford, I live in Cheshire, so I'm really close, and it meant I kept coming home, especially when I had an issue with something like last year. A lot of things happened. I was pretty sick, and then also grieving at one point, so that was really great. So I came home, obviously, for a bit of family support. This year I plan on not doing that. Hopefully, fingers crossed, things will work out for me. But apart from I'm back in 2 weeks to come and get my hair done, but whatever. It's fine. Actually, is it 2 weeks? Or is it next weekend? No, it's the weekend after. I'm so excited though, because my hair is looking horrendous at the moment. I mean, she's greasy today, first of all, but my roots, oh lord, get me to the hairdresser. Anyway, she's also really long. I need to chop. The lighting is awful, but I'm gonna go and grab a side table from the freebie site. I'm gonna put my plants and books on it when I get to uni, so I'm hoping it fits back here, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna have to awkwardly be like, hey, I actually don't want your table anymore. So I also think I need to fill up with fuel. Wait, let me check. My brother, his mission all week has to be using all of his fuel. What the hell? Why is this not turning on? Okay, one moment. Got it working for real. I'm a mechanic. But yeah, my brother's goal has been to use the fuel up all week because he knows I'm taking the car for the next 2 weeks. So now I have to go and refill, and the nearest fuel station is so expensive. Why are we so zoomed in? So I'm only gonna go and put a tenner in, and then when I get to Salford I'll put more in. But we are in the red light zone, so maybe I should put more than a tenner in. Oh! It's officially move-in day. Back at Salford again with this angle, because my light's here, so it looks, my light, that's my window, it looks good, this angle, because that's where the lighting is. But I'm gonna head to Tesco. I've driven up today and I had the car for 2 weeks, so I'm gonna head to Tesco and I'm gonna grab some things I need, a meal deal because I've not got any food and my shopping isn't coming until tomorrow, so I might just grab like a porridge pot for the morning as well, although my shopping's coming 9 till 10. So I feel like it could be fine. I could wait for my breakfast, but I just want to have something to eat for tonight because I'm probably going to bingo with my friends and I'll have a pint. My first cider being back in the UK, I'm so excited. So I'm just going to hop, skip and jump over there and go really quickly because my IKEA shelf is getting delivered in an hour and a half, so don't want to be too long. Tesco was ridiculously busy, so I've literally just got a couple things. This to put my toothbrushes in. I have got one already, but I'll show you when I go upstairs. It's like the wrong shape for my sink, so I'm hoping that stays up. If it doesn't, I'll just revert back to using my old one. This utensils pot, which was £8, it was very expensive and I didn't want to pay that much, but I don't have much room in here, so I needed that. I got some more washing pods and then I just got a meal deal as well in there somewhere. So we're now going to tackle this kitchen, which is, as you can see, a huge state. I really don't even know where to start. It's actually just disgusting and it's cluttered, and no offense to the lads, I know I've kind of done this to myself, but like, that's just cooking oil all over there. I mean, it's disgusting, so I'm not living like this. I mean, even the table's not, can you see all the dirt? It doesn't even show up properly on camera. It's just disgusting, like, wipe it down, I don't understand. So I'm quite literally going to clean this entire kitchen even though I've just moved in. So speaker at the ready. I'm gonna put on some songs and we're gonna get cleaning.
What is up? Oh my goodness, what is going on? What is going on? What does the peace sign do? Balloons. Does this do anything? I think it does. It's a heart. It is a heart. I've just painted my nails. Does this one work? Excuse me. No, I've done that one. Do thumbs up. Oh, that's a good one. Right, anyways. This is, what did I do? This is new for me. This one's new. Oh my goodness, right. Completely distracted myself from what I was about to say. Hey, it's Millie from the future, finally editing this video. I know you're all absolutely chuffed about that. I didn't film an outro. I didn't film me cleaning the kitchen. It honestly was just such a hectic day that day. Cleaned the kitchen. Have I cleaned the kitchen multiple times since then? Yes. Living maid, lives on the top floor, let everybody know. And I'm now have obviously decorated my room and I'm living in it. Room tour is coming soon. I need to film it probably today actually, because just put on fresh sheets, so she's looking clean. But thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more university content, continue following me. You guys are going to see some interesting vlogs this year because I am literally the real life Jess from New Girl. Not even joking. Like, we've had this conversation multiple times. And I am surviving. No, I'm kidding. It's fine. But it is like living with 4 brothers, which is chaotic, to say the least. Anyways, I will see you whenever I upload next. I'm doing an editing day today, so uni work has gone on the back burner. Sorry to my lecturers. See you all soon.